baddies, I am back again with another haul. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Patricia Bright box, the one that she did in collaboration with this brand called Cosmetips. Yes, I'm excited. This might be my second to last unboxing until so you guys, we've been pushing out a ton of content. Anyway, before we begin, if this is your first time here, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified every time I drop something flame coming your way. So anyway, let's just get right into this. Patricia Bright, like I said, collaborated with Cosmetips, which I believe is a UK brand, because this box costs 110 euros. I'm not going to do the conversion. I might put the conversion up on the screen. I don't know yet, but it was expensive. There was some issues. I kept getting emails about a delay, but I was on the island for school, so I wasn't really concerned. I was like, as long as the package gets here, I'm not really tripping. There was some like delay, like people who pre-order it got it after the people who bought it after the pre-order date, if that makes any type of sense to y'all. So, okay, if you're wondering what's on my eyes, I'm using the Naked 2 palette. I have some type of Kat Von D with a lip gloss combo on my lips. And these clips, my best friend, Anya, got them for me for Christmas, they're really cute. I'm here for clips. Okay, here is this big ass box. I'm not gonna show you what's on the label because it has my address, and like I've been told y'all, there's some creepy people, there's some weirdos, and there's just like people who just want to know too much. It has my address and like my full name. So let's just get up into it. I love Patricia Bright. I've loved Patricia Bright forever. I feel like despite the fact that she has gotten even more popular in mainstream, she has remained very authentic and very real. Like, you know that she's not trying to push a product or trying to promote some products like some other beauty contents of the same complexion. Tea. So I do appreciate that. I do want to read her book. Yeah. So let's dive right into it. Shout out to me having scissors on deck. Hopefully I don't stab myself, because that would be very sad, because I have basic husky and health insurance. Okay. Wait. A small gift to apologize for the delay. We hope you love your beauty box. Okay, this came with my... Okay. Oh, they sent me the NYX matte lip, which are actually really wonderful. The only downside to the NYX soft matte lip creams is that they do wear off with like eating and drinking, but they're just really great drugstore matte lipsticks, and they're not too drying, so I appreciate that. I actually have the shade in London. I will probably give this to Anya because yeah, I already have the color, so I'll probably give it to someone who doesn't have the color. That's passive. Is it weird that I want to keep the box because it has her name on it? Like, I don't know. I am here for it. So you're probably wondering, why the fuck did I spend 110 euros? And then I think shipping was like 15 or 20. Yeah, I think that in total ended up being like 149 euros, which I don't even want to get into what that is in US, because I don't know off the top of my head. Also, I literally, because they had a list of all the products, and I just went to Sephora and added all those things into my cart, and honestly, you get such a deal with this that I was just like, okay, you got it. Here's our girl Patricia Bright's box. It's a big ass box. Definitely gonna keep it. I was like, should I keep it? I will keep it. I'm excited. I am so excited. Comes with this little bow. You can see me. Ooh la la. Ooh la. I'm a dork. Okay. Whew. It feels like, I don't know why. Okay. Comes with this little pamphlet letting you know what's inside the box. I love the packaging, like this honeycomb black and gold. I feel like you can never go wrong with black and gold, honestly. So, just has Patricia saying, hey, darlings. Yeah, I get the Huda Beauty, is it Huda? Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remaster Palette, which I've heard nothing but great things, but like, I just can't break myself to buy it personally. And then you got the Murad. Like I've told you on this channel, sometimes I don't mean to mispronounce things. It's just like I've heard them. That's how I say it, and it's not intentional. Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I love this powder. The only downside, if you're kind of brownish, it can give you like a gray, ashy look. That can be corrected with like a setting spray. Like I would use like my Lush Tea Tree Oil to kind of like make it look less gray, but it does such a great job of keeping you matte and oil free that I was like, I'll stand looking gray. You can always color correct your photo. So a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. I love NARS lips. Sunday Riley, was it that brand that was forging all of their like beauty reviews or some shit? Ooh, NARS Orgasm Blush. I have one. I've always had one. Might give that to Anya as well because I already have NARS Orgasm Blush. And then Spectrum's Collection Zodiac 5-piece brush. And then you got the Elamith. I don't know how you pronounce this brand, but yeah, this is exciting. I'm really excited for the palette. I want to record some eye makeup looks, so this is what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh, okay. There's more wrapping paper. Okay. Ooh la la. I'm gonna see if I can like hold this up to the camera without everything spilling over, but I think that might be hard to do. But this is what everything looks packaged up in the box, and we love it. I am so excited. I just gave a bunch of palettes away to some friends, to a friend, because I am trying to just invest in quality pieces. And I got the Huda. I promise you, I am not doing this on purpose. I really want to pronounce her name correctly. So yeah. Just that I got it. Ooh, this is beautiful. I do remember there being like a lot of scandal because people bought the first one and they were kind of annoyed that she came out with a better version of it. Oh, this is cute of her. It just like fell in my lap. Wow. Didn't know I could do that. I don't know if it's reflective. It's like a nice stock photo. Ooh, I will say I am here because you know like Anastasia Beverly Hills, the palettes, the mirror is like literally like half of this. So I do appreciate a full length, like a full mirror. Do love these colors. I do love the top row of shimmers. And yeah, really, really pretty. I'm excited for this the most. Yeah, good shit, Patricia. Darling, we love that. Ooh, a full-size Laura Mercier. It's a wrap. I've been using my Iman Press powder. Yeah, that's what. Basically, if you haven't seen the Laura Mercier translucent powder in person, I feel like you're missing out, and this is so good. I'm so glad. I had this on my list of things to buy at Sephora because I got a gift card for Christmas. So that's great. And then, ooh, I was just talking about how I need some new brushes. When you're a klutz, and I like that they're Zodiac. Okay. And I love this little pouch. You can repurpose it. So basically, ooh, this is what they look like. This is, I got the B08, I got the A26, A05, B01, and then what is this, CO3? So I'm guessing this would be your foundation brush, this would be a powder brush, contouring probably for concealer, and then I keep dropping shit, not on purpose though, like a nice blending brush to like blend all of your colors, which is really phenomenal. Let's put that back in there. I love this. I love the designs of like the black and gold and the stars on the brushes, and the brushes feel amazing. I do believe they're synthetic, which is really great. There's something about synthetic brushes that just makes applying makeup really easy. And then I get 15% off Elemis. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but I'm really trying. And you just use the Patricia box for 15% off. And then I get 15 pounds off a facial, which does not help me because I don't know what 15 pounds is in the US. And then the UFO, which is an ultra clarifying face oil. Ooh, yes. My skin started breaking out like around my chin because my period is coming, or did come. Yes, I am totally here for adding face oils to your skincare routine, especially all my ladies. Once you pass 21, incorporate a face oil. You can get them at Marshall's, you get at Ulta, just whether you're dry or oily. We gotta stop the aging process before a kid. You don't want to be 40 trying to not look 40. You want to be 40 being like, all right, I'll look 30. Let me work with that. You know, you want to be ahead of the game. So incorporate an oil. I'm really excited for this. I had a face oil that I got, I forgot what it was called. And I got it at Marshall's and I really loved it. And then I dropped it in my apartment, in the bathroom, and I just sat there for 5 minutes. It's just like, wow. I have the worst luck. This is the Murad Hydration AHA and BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I normally use Lush, but I find the Lush to be a little harsh sometimes, especially when my skin is very sensitive. Post, you know, like period, pimples, and it's like really tender. So hopefully this is more gentle. And then, like I said, I got the Elemis. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but apply every morning. I do need a new moisturizer. Ever since I've come home, my skin has been like really dry, and in the cream that I do have, it's not as moisturizing. So hopefully this would be a really nice dupe. Trying to see if there's anything else. Oh, I forgot I feel like I'm missing something. I am the NARS Orgasm Blush. Orgasm Blush is such a pretty color, and it really suits all skin tones. So if you're pale, dark and lovely, it don't matter. It looks good. I love NARS. I feel like they get color ranges right, you know. Sorry. We'll do a swatch of Orgasm Blush, just let you know how pretty it is. It's like a really nice pinky. This is what Orgasm Blush looks like. I don't know if you can pick that up. Yeah, you see how pretty that is? It's just like a nice little shimmery pinky gold. I'm excited for this. I'm excited. Like, I think she did a great job with this collection. And then I have the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. I do own some NARS lip colors, like the lipsticks. And then I have like this one pencil called Trains Le Bleu. It's like a weird clean scent to it. I don't know. Yeah, it smells really clean. Ooh, okay. I thought I was gonna give this to Anya, but like I'm gonna have to keep it because it's gorgeous. Like I said, it's in the shade Slow Rise. Slow Ride is like a nice brown. We are loving this collection. Very excited. Okay. If you did not buy the Patricia Bright box, I don't know if it's still available. I will find out and put it on the screen or down in my description box. But I feel like I got my money's worth. I got full-size products. And they even gave me a nice little cute little gift for them being delayed, which I think is really nice of them. They didn't have to do that, but I appreciate that. So overall, I love it. I'm excited to use this box. I am in love with it. Thank you for watching, lovies. I hope you guys all have a great day. Moisturize your elbows, stay out of trouble, and stay blessed. Give this a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your mom, share with your nanny in the retirement home. Maybe? Too far? Okay. Anyway, bye. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.